Hey everyone, Michael of Seattle here helping you with 3-minute technical analysis for Gamestop today. Now before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and like the video, it helps us out a lot. Now, Gamestop has actually been doing fantastic so far. On Thursday, it broke through this downtrend right here, and it's been holding steady ever since. The only thing is, it really does have to break through $192, $189 in order to get those old levels of squeezes where we saw $400, $500 from GameStop. And I don't think that's necessarily going to happen. I'm sorry to kind of spoil that for you, but maybe I'm wrong. Could be. I'd say GameStop has maybe 1 to 2 more days of great runs, and then we might see some breakdowns coming in. So if that does happen, please be prepared to make money off of that by buying some puts. What's happening with GameStop right now is amazing. I liked it. I made some money as it rode up, but I understand that this is not a good level to be holding unless it can continue to move up. So unless it decides to all of a sudden go boom, which is possible, I would start loading up on puts or just watching the price action to make sure if you guys are in it, you guys have a nice stop loss where you guys are still making profits, but not necessarily going all in. Don't go all in because you will become a bag holder, and bag holders, it's a fun thing to say I'm a bag holder, but you really did just lose a bunch of money, and you're waiting a long time before that money can come back into your portfolio for you to make more money off of it. And remember, my motto on this channel is take your profits when they come. That way you guys don't get stuck holding a bag, because a lot of this stuff is getting pumped up. Retail traders don't have the power to move GameStop as much as you guys would think. A lot of hedge funds are also doing this. So when the hedge funds pull out, that's when you guys should be pulling out. So when this red line crosses this blue line, to be very simple, that's when I'm going to start buying puts. When this bright green turns into dark green, that's when I'm going to start buying puts. So I'll update you guys over the next couple days about how I see GameStop. But please, this is not the time to be going all in on GameStop. This is the time to be holding if you're holding, taking a nibble if you want to have a little bit of risk. But please, oh please, do not put your whole portfolio in GameStop at this very moment. You will be crying in a few days, if you ask me. Thanks, everyone.